Very much. Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Sabar, sabar. Thank you, thank you. Ah. Look, guys. Humongous. Massive. Guys, look, I am in Senayan City Mall here in Indonesia, Jakarta. Famous mall, massive, humongous. I guess it's got a lot of designer outlets as well. But here we go, guys. Let's go. Let's check this place out. And I'll show you. I don't know if you're allowed to film, but look at this, beautiful. They got Hugo Boss, YSL. Got more YSL here. They got a Starbucks. Of course, we don't even want to promote that at the moment. I always wanted to see. I see this luxury brand everywhere. I want to check this place out, but I don't know if I should. Let me go and quickly check it out. Yes, luggage, guys. Yeah, just walked into the shop. Look how much it costs. 42 million. So that's about $200, something like that, guys. Damn. Anyway, thank you very much. Terima kasih. So this is pretty much more like designer clothes, that kind of stuff here. Clothes shops, but they do. I heard. But the special thing about this mall is they got a big masjid here in this mall. So I'm about to go and check it out. I want to go and check it out and see where it is. Center point of this mall. I don't think this is the actual center. I think it's somewhere else, but this is one of them. It is beautiful. So how are you? Nice to meet you. What is your name?
Miskal.
Miskal. Mishkala. Oh, nice. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Thank you. Guys, let's go upstairs. Look at that pink palette, guys. Nice. So guys, no music, it's Ramadan. No music at all. Right, look at this, this is the upper floor. Get a better angle of the pink Taj Mahal. Got all these shops here. And we've got this beautiful view. So they've got a lot of floors. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 floors. Nah, that's how you know this place is big. So guys, I'm about to go into this big mosque, masjid, massive. Look how big it is. And go here, take pictures. Look at this. So they got nice, amazing, guys. Wow. So this is inside the masjid right now. So yeah, finally you can go upstairs in the pink palace, pink mosque, masjid. Let's go this side. Wow, look at this. This is a mall, guys. Trust me. Even Dubai don't have none of this stuff. Guys, enough of this. Now let's go and explore this beautiful mall. Alright, it's too much to choose from. It's just Western brands, guys. Loads of Western brands here. Don't see anything local or any local brands. Majority of this place is like all Western stuff. We've got H&M, some Japanese, South Korean stuff, Levi's. So yeah. Then I think upstairs you've got some sort of kids section. Then in the middle section you got, I think, more like men's clothes. Then the section after that also mixed men's, women's. So yeah, it's pretty much it here. But what I need to do is I need to go and get some food. I need to go and eat. Guys, I heard they have a halal guys here. I don't know if you guys know about halal guys, but it's a famous New York street vendor food spot. Pretty much gone international. Oh, there you go. Look, halal, guys. Yallah. Oh my God, guys, I'm so excited. Honestly, I'm super excited because I've always heard about this box with rice and stuff they give in the meal, but this is the first time I'm gonna try it. So let's go. Yallah. Halal, guys. Ooh. Meals, they got that rice box, chicken, falafel. They got everything here. Fries. I can't wait. By the way, I bumped into him. You know what I'm saying? Just met him in the mall, so yeah. You finish?
Finished, folks? Yeah.
Yeah, large combo times 3 because there's 3 of us here. And 1 large fries.
Just one size for the
Oh, is it
fries.
1 size? Okay, no problem. So how much is 1 large? So 1 large here, guys, is 53,000 and regular is 73. Sorry, what am I saying? Regular is 53 and large is 78,000. So nice.
78 is, what is that?
78 is gonna be up here, guys.
$4.
So you're gonna- $4, yeah. So pick nice. $4 to $5.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama. Request sauce, please.
Me spicy, brother.
You want spicy
Me-
or the white one? Sweet one or
White and spicy.
white and spicy?
Yeah, for me. Guys, I'll see you when the food comes. Guys, so food's here. This is what I've been waiting for, but first of all, let me try the chips. Give a little quick review of the chips. Not bad at all. Now for the main part.
مقارنة
Let's try
ويا
this.
الكمبريكا
Bismillah.
أمريكا طيب لأنه الأساس هناك الأصلي أكيد يعني صعوبة يسوون هذا الشيء هذا بس أنا بارك عليه
Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm in love.
Hey, best we ever had for this all this time.
Me and Chili get along just fine, so I'm gonna quickly spray some hot sauce on here, just like this. Also the fries, I'll leave in the corner because these guys maybe can't handle the spice the way I can tolerate it. Yes.
Bro, I got more of this. You gotta have the.
You got the extra white sauce.
You have to, bro.
I got it. Okay, give me something.
It's a range.
Shukran, Habibi. Shukran. On top of that, I put more hot sauce. Now, this is gonna be spicy galore, guys.
Yo, try it. Barbecue with it. So good, bro.
Spice, now spice. Thank you very much. Food was really nice. Thank you. Well, guys, there you go. That is halal, guys. Very famous spot. I really wanted to try it, actually, to be honest. I didn't even know it existed here. But yeah, look at this. Amazing. I'm so glad I tried it, honestly. Guys, frozen yogurt. I've never tried frozen yogurt in my life. So
White zero?
he's recommending me to try frozen yogurt. We're at this shop right now. We can try? Damn. Is that what?
What is the green one? Can I try the green one? I don't know the flavor.
Yeah, nice. Can I have one more spoon? Try.
No, I'm good. I'm gonna try it. I'll try it. Yeah.
Oh, this is nice, man. This is really nice, guys.
Watch this. Learn.
Let's
get 2 of this and 1 of this. And 1 of the white one. 2 small of
2
this
black, 1 white.
one and 1 white. So what I'm gonna
2
do
black,
is I'm
1
gonna
white.
mix for us.
You know what that means?
One black sakura
1, yes.
with 2 toppings. You get 2 toppings.
2 toppings?
1 cup.
Oh,
you
2
get
toppings. This should.
You have to choose
2 toppings. Matcha. Oh, you got crunchy as well. Okay.
Oh, fruit. Oh, bro.
Fruits.
Lychee. Lognan.
What's the best one? Fruits, crunchy,
mochi maybe.
mochi.
Mochi.
Oh yeah. Mochi and then 1 sauce.
Okay.
Sauce.
Yeah.
What do you want? A matcha?
Matcha, yeah. I want to try matcha sauce and then 1 mochi.
Matcha sama
For me.
mochi yang black. For the second cups, you have to choose 2 toppings again. For the black sakura, and second cup.
Wait, maybe we can mix. Do you want the white or the black one?
Black.
You want the white or the black one?
Which one?
White is fine?
I want the
White.
same as black.
Black?
We have lots of toppings.
Can we make all three black?
Three black.
Because we put the toppings, I can't mix them anymore.
Okay.
Three
I want
black.
the black one with matcha.
One matcha topping and the other topping.
Matcha and
Yeah. And vanilla.
It's very confusing when you order for 3 people.
Kyoto banana.
I'm getting mochi and
Mocha, mocha, mocha.
other one.
Yes.
You know what 2 black and 1 white means in the UK?
Anything
Huh?
else?
We have three blacks.
I know, but do you know what that means? 2 black and 1 white?
Newcastle.
Nah. It means something else.
Huh?
It means something else.
The Queen.
Guys, if you know, you know in it.
Any, I don't know any.
Guys, while we wait for the frozen yogurt, this is the shop here. Right next to Halal. Guys, hello. How are you? Edwin?
Yeah,
Nice to meet you.
yeah, nice to meet you.
You work outside or inside?
Outside?
Outside only? So only the females work inside and
Yeah.
you work outside?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice. We ordered food. We're gonna have frozen yogurt, so we're gonna try it. Hello.
Mochi gen matcha.
Mochi, and that's mine.
Yeah. Aishi melon gen matcha.
Look at this, guys. This looks beautiful.
Mochi hazelnut. Thank you.
Nice. Okay, guys, let's try this big ass ice cream. It's not even an ice cream. It's something else. What's it called again? It's called frozen yogurt. Andale, mama. Iya. Uh-oh.
We're reporting live from Jakarta Social Mall.
Bro, I don't know why I
You're about to
got
have
a
some-
spoonful. I'm just gonna stick this in my mouth.
Hey!
Hey, we about to have some concrete trees. Ice cream.
You
It's nice.
You just lost your hood pass, bro.
I got the power of editing.
You ain't welcome to West Side London, wherever you're from, innit? You're from any hood.
I have to do this.
Hey, rep the hood, bro. What's the hood? Rep the hood. Hey, represent your hood. Undercover, innit?
And then you got, what's it called again?
Mochi.
Mochi.
Kuchi kuchi.
Mochi. You got the mochi, then you got the mocha, and then you got the soft yogurt ice cream kind of like thing. You know I'm a big fan of jerseys, guys. As you can see, I've got. Show them my back. I don't know if Indonesia even has a soccer football team. Soccer. Why am I speaking like I'm American, bro? I've been hanging around too many Americans.
Bro, they just play the rack.
We say football, bro. We say football.
Hold on, they're playing the rack soon, matter of fact, bro.
Okay, let's go. Are they here? Is the game in Jakarta or somewhere else? Yeah, let's go. Let's go to a football game, guys. That'll be interesting to film actually. Okay, that's pretty much it. Sephora, I gotta go Sephora actually. I got an order. Someone told me to get something for them, so I'm going to see. Okay, guys, so that's the mall for you guys. Quick little look at the mall here in Jakarta. Very beautiful mall. Amazing. As you saw, they got a big masjid right in the middle of the mall, which is very beautiful actually. Nice little touch to the shopping mall. But yeah, this place is designer, everything designer here. So if you do guys want like local stuff, you ain't gonna find no local stuff here. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.